is an atlas. This is school atlas based on the latest CBSE syllabus. This contains inside wall maps of India, physical, political, world political. Right? So you can see this book. This is not shown here, school maps. These are the contents. Today we are going to have this content: climate. This is world climate, page number 14. So in this world there is a climate of, you can see in the month of January the temperature. This is calculated through thermometer, an instrument to measure the temperature of the air. So in this we see how the air get heat up on different places, and you can see above 32 degree there is a color of light, this one. Then 18 to 33 it has a different color, 1 to 15 it has a different, and below this 1 degree you have a light yellow, and so on. This has a indication. This is legend here shown. This 16, 32, 115, 1 is calculated in Celsius. Now see how cold is this area, right? So this is how you can define few things in this area. Now for this climate, next is how to calculate the pressure, air pressure. So there is, we calculate the air pressure with the help of a meter which shows in this way, and this is called barometer. If it is visible, you can see the instrument for measuring changes in air pressure, and this is how we shows the air pressure inside the on the land. Then second one we go for rain gauge. Rain gauge, an instrument for measuring the amount of rain fallen on that day, or if you make an average it will be annually also, monthly also. So annual rainfall in centimeter. This is a big container. You keep this container on the open place and the rain water comes inside and it is collected. After that this water is poured in this and it is being measured as per the units, and that is called centimeters. So now you can see below 25 it has a category. We all make the category just to find out the things. So we have found that below 25 you have a less area. It's an above 25, that is very near to the sea area. These places are very rainy places and they have lots of rain. So everybody is familiar with the world map, I hope. So remember, this video is not for a very brilliant people because they don't require this, not for very blunt people because they don't know about this. This is up to the standard of class 8th student. So we say that this is the class 8 student we can have this, and next time we will go for the climate types, natural, religious and vegetations, which type of vegetables. If you really find this is good, so like and then subscribe.